accelerating force. So what is the accelerating force? In our acceleration, we can say it is the rate of change of the velocity of an object with respect to its time. So it's the rate of change of the velocity is known as the acceleration. Okay, acceleration are the vector quantities. That means it has the direction as well as the magnitude is known as the vector quantities. Okay, any change in the velocity of an object results in an acceleration, that is increasing speed as well as decreasing speed or changing the direction. So if these conditions are satisfied, then we can say this is the accelerating force. So here in the Newton's second law, we have the formula F equal to ma, which is follow the accelerating force. Okay, so here we can say F is the force, m is the mass of the body, a is the acceleration. Okay, so you should remember this formula F equal to ma, which is very essential for us.